What is up, guys? The Microsoft Surface laptop is regarded as one of the best laptops for college students out there. As a current college student myself, and a previous owner of the Laptop 1 and a current owner of the Laptop 2, here are 5 things I dislike about the Surface laptop overall. Let's take this hat off. My number one complaint about this laptop is also the best thing about the laptop. Its material. Although this laptop is absolutely beautiful and in my eyes, the best looking laptop out there, the fine material comes at a cost of maintenance. If you want to see your aluminum body shiny and your Alcantara keyboard stainless, cleaning it with a microfiber cloth frequently is absolutely essential. My number 2 is the screen. It is just too glossy. I sort of understand that it is this way because it's Gorilla Glass and it is a touchscreen, but oh my god, the reflection is ridiculous. Anything that emits light is for sure going to be reflected by the screen. My number 3 is probably the most annoying for me. It is the fan position. It is so inconvenient having the fans on the bottom of the laptop, because most surfaces that I use this laptop with blocks the airflow. Unless I am at a desk, the fans will be fine, but most of the time that I use this computer, I'm in bed with my sheets on. And it's sort of annoying because the computer starts overheating. You start hearing the fans hitting to overdrive, and I'm just there wondering, why can't I just watch a YouTube video without this thing overheating? Now imagine running a program like Premiere. Yeah, this thing overheats crazy with those sorts of programs if the fan airflow is blocked. So my number 4 complaint is actually the trackpad. It works amazing, but it's just when it's closed, if I want to grab it by where the trackpad is, I'm actually clicking on the trackpad, and so I just end up grabbing it by where the fans are at, so that I'm not clicking anything. Even though you're not actually clicking on programs, opening stuff or anything, it's just sort of annoying knowing that you're just clicking on the trackpad and you don't want to really break anything. So my 5th and final complaint, which doesn't really come as a surprise, is the lack of ports. There's no SD card, no USB-C. They only give you one USB-A, a display port, which I haven't met any student that really uses a display port. So I just end up buying ports, and so that's another thing I gotta carry on. So there it is, my 5 complaints about the Microsoft Surface laptop. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be happy to answer them. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.